Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to do dot magic in cube solved. After solving cube, you can do a dot magic in the cube. Okay, so what you got to do is just keep any face in front of you, and from this right side column middle piece, just rotate this middle layer in the left side or towards right side. Okay, you can either rotate it in left side or right side. Okay, so here I am going to do the dot magic using right side. Okay, so rotate once in the right side. Okay, then rotate the face and do the same for this piece. Okay, so rotate this middle layer towards right side. Again rotate the face, rotate the whole face, and do it the same rotation for this piece. Okay, so same rotation, and again rotate the face, then do it for the final one. Okay, yes, so for four middle piece you are rotating either in left side or right side. Okay, yes, now see the dot. So here this face contains one dot at the middle. Okay, at the middle you have another color. Okay, so if you see all other faces, the two have different color. Okay, so this is called dot magic, and yes, you can do a dot magic and see the beautiful of the cube. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye bye.